Hello there. So I've come down today, breaking the weather. It's quite nice at the moment. So I've just gone to check on the brassicas. A lot of it's getting a little bit old now. Broccoli's turning over and flowering, go to seed. It's got a bit of a bitter taste to it. So I'm going to sort of pull up all the broccoli. I'm going to harvest a bit of kale. And with these cabbages, they're okay. I just need to spray them with some slug repellent, and I'll show you that afterwards. For the time being, I'm going to pick up this broccoli. I'll harvest a few decent looking florets, but yeah, I think it's time to pull them all up. So that's the area now all tidied up, and now it's time to spray what I've got left. So this is fermented pine nuts. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I got a bag of pine nuts, mashed it all up into a paste, put it in some water, left it in this milk carton, put a little hole at the top, otherwise it will explode. And now, oh, it absolutely stinks to high heaven. So apparently slugs don't like it, so I'm going to put it into my sprayer and spray the leaves of the brassicas that I've got left. Now, because it's just pine nuts, it's not going to do anyone any harm, but I'd give it a week or so before harvesting, just because it'll probably leave a nasty taste and possibly a bit of residue as well, depending on the weather. But yeah, let's get spraying. Reverse that. So when you empty your fermented pine nut juice into the sprayer, make sure you filter it, otherwise you'll block your sprayer and you'll be back the following day to spray it. All right. So there you go, all cleared and sprayed, so jobs are good. And cheerio.